it's possible those guys. Yeah, this is nice video now.
At least we got a nice view, not going all the way to the top, so I guess it's okay.
I don't think the view at the top was that great.
We didn't even get to the top.
No, I mean like when we were at Mount Evans.
Yeah, Mount Evans, that one wasn't that nice.
Yeah.
I feel like this one would be very nice though. Look at this. Like from here, it already looks really nice.
No, because you're gonna be so far away. You won't. Oh, see, Kevin, this is an awesome view, dude.
Yeah,
Hello.
but there's too many cars parked there.
Hello, dude. That would have been a view.
But there's too many cars above it. Calm
No
down.
parking, no parking.
Oh, my ears are blowing.
Just look at airplane with the land.
Yeah, that's exactly what. And not as intense, but I feel it.
Phải thay cả bóng kia con này. Ta để con đi dùng xe. Đi đúng chẳng hạn.
You can't see anything about the road, Kevin.
No, I don't care about that. But con nào đó đi tiếp bắt chỗ đi xin